We're coming along strong, but there's still work to be done. Let's join heart and hands from yard and abroad to build a power island nation. Happy 62nd independence, Jamaica. Happy independence. Happy independence. Happy independence. Happy 62nd independence, Jamaica. Happy independence. Sing again. Happy independence. Happy independence. Happy 62nd independence, Jamaica. Happy independence. Happy 62nd Jamaicans. 62 years. Miss Lucy. Independence in we nature, born and bred in all we do. Happy independence. Happy independence. Happy 62nd independence, Jamaica. Happy independence. Sing again. Happy independence. Happy independence. Happy 62nd independence, Jamaica. Happy independence. Uno clapper from Miss Tania.